Is your iPhone showing a flash is disabled error? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the flash is disabled error and get your camera flash working again. Let's dive into the solutions. Before you do anything, check the hardware issues for your iPhone's flash. Open App Store, type Checks My Device, install this app, tap Open, scroll down, find out Fast option, open this up, try to turn it on from here. If it fails, that means it's hardware issues. But still, you can try the following process to solve your issues. Solution 1. Cool down your iPhone. If you see the flash is disabled, message your iPhone might be too hot. Turn off your iPhone and place it in a cool, dry place for a few minutes. After it cools down, turn your iPhone back on and check if it flash works. Solution 2. Force close the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle on iPhones without a home button, or double-click the home button on iPhones with a home button. Find the camera app and swipe up to close it. After that, restart your iPhone. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Reopen the camera app and check if the flash is working. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will reset, but your data won't be lost. Check if the flash issue is resolved. Solution 4. Visit an Apple store. If none of these solutions work, there might be a hardware issue with your iPhone's flash. Visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider for further assistance. So that's how you can fix the flash is disabled error on your iPhone. If this video helped, hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I will get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.